Good morning, class 3. Today we are going to start our grammar sheet, and the grammar will start the verbs. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are action words. As I told you in your live class, verbs are the words which shows action, which shows some movement, which shows some action that you perform. So, in the first page of verbs, we have already told you earlier that what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. Is, am and are different words of saying, and they are the main verbs. They introduce a fact about a person, place, animal or thing. They are known as main verbs. When they are the only verbs in a sentence, for example, she is a student, it is a main verb. Is a main verb. Without is, you cannot complete a sentence. So when we use the verbs is, am and are with other verbs ending in ing, they are called helping verbs. For example, he is eating an apple. So eating is an helping verb. Is a main verb and eating is an helping verb. We use was and were when we talk about something that happened in the past. We use was with singular nouns and pronouns I, he and she, and we use were with plural nouns and pronouns you, we and they. We use has and have where that show belongingness. As I told you, has and have are also verbs, and had is also a verb. But had is a verb which is used in the past tense. Then you have simple present tense and simple past tense. Now let's start some revision or some exercise of the verbs. You will be understanding these verbs well once we read the sentences. Replace the incorrect underlined verbs with the correct one. The picture will help you. Diya runs to her neighbor. Diya runs to her neighbor. Now why runs has come? Because Diya is a single girl and she runs मतलब वो रन करती है अपने नेबर के पास, रन करते हुए जाती है, रन करती है. Is she running or is she talking? So what will be the verb? Diya talks to her neighbor, not runs, because she is talking. So instead of runs, which is a verb, the correct verb will come and that will be talks, or stands to her, or talks to her neighbor. Talks to her neighbor is a right verb with a picture. Now the next picture is the postman writes on the door. No. Is the postman writing on the door? No. He is knocking at the door. The postman knocks on the door. Now why S has been written? Because when the postman is single, we always write S with the verb. Postman door पे knock करता है. कर रहा है नहीं, करता है. तो ये simple present tense है और writes on the door आया. Aman and his father drive the car. Aman and his father, they are driving the car or what they are doing? Aman and father, no, they are, what are they doing? Aman and his father mend the car. MEND, mend. Mend का मतलब ठीक कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे S क्यों नहीं लगा? क्योंकि mend जो है वो टू इंडिविजुअल के लिए S नहीं लगेगा, mend आएगा. Then next, Joe and Rehan kick a kite. Joe and Rehan kick a kite or fly a kite? They fly a kite. Now again, you will ask why flies has not come. Why? Because Joe and Rehan are two people. So Joe and Rehan fly a kite. Okay. Now the next page will be page 40. Now in page 40, if you see, fill in the blanks in the story with is, am or are. You have to put is, am and are. कहाँ is लगता है, कहाँ am लगता है, कहाँ is का मतलब है, am का मतलब हूँ and are का मतलब हैं. बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है. My name is Avi and I am Dad's helper at his restaurant today. My name is Avi, मेरा नाम अवी है, and I के बाद क्या आएगा? I am Dad's helper at his restaurant today. मैं आज अपने डैड का हेल्पर हूँ। कहाँ पे? उनके रेस्टोरेंट में। आई के बाद एम आता है। आई के बाद हमेशा एम आता है। मैं हूँ, एम का मतलब हूँ। बेटे ये ध्यान से वीडियो सुनिए, तभी आप ये शीट को कर सकेंगे प्रॉपरली। वी डैश मेकिंग अ स्पेशल सूप। वी, हम एक स्पेशल सूप बना रहे हैं। एक है क्या है? इज़। और है क्या है? आर। सो वी आर मेकिंग अ स्पेशल सूप। डैड सेज हिज सूप रेसिपी डैश द बेस्ट इन टाउन। इज़ द बेस्ट इन टाउन, सबसे बेस्ट टाउन में है। यहाँ पे इज़ आएगा। देन ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर ऑन डैड्स किचन काउंटर। ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स मतलब सारा सामान जो है वो किचन काउंटर पे पड़ा है। ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर ऑन द डैड्स किचन काउंटर। देन आफ्टर दैट I am the one in charge of washing the vegetables and tasting the soup when it is ready. I am the in charge. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं in charge हूँ। किस चीज़ का? I के बाद am आएगा। I am the in charge. I am the one in charge of washing the vegetables and tasting the soup when it is ready. कि मैं in charge हूँ washing vegetables का, और जब सूप रेडी हो उसका मैं in charge हूँ। Dad is in charge of chopping the vegetables and mixing all the ingredients. Dad is in charge of, dad के साथ क्या आएगा? Is आएगा। Dad is in charge of chopping the vegetables and mixing all the ingredients. We are a super team. हम एक सुपर टीम हैं। यहाँ पे आर आएगा क्योंकि वी के साथ आर लगता है। Soon the soup is simmering in the pot. Soon the soup मतलब बन रहा है। सूप सिंगल है तो is simmering in the pot. I taste a spoonful. It is delicious. It के साथ is आएगा। Now we are ready for our customers to arrive. हम सब रेडी हैं कि हमारे कस्टमर्स आएँ। I am very excited. मैं बहुत excited हूँ। So children, in this fill-ups, you should be knowing where is will come, where am will come, and where are will come. Now the next will be fill in the blanks with is, am, or are and ing form of verb given in the brackets. I mend my shoes. I क्या आएगा? I am mending my shoes. मैं अपने शूज़ ठीक कर रहा हूँ। Mending, MENDING, mending. I am mending my shoes. The gardener is watering the plants. You have to put ing with the verb and you have to put the main verb also. The aircraft is flying through thick clouds. The Sinhas are visiting their daughter in Australia. The children are listening to a radio program. Now जहाँ पे ing लगता है वो सब क्या होते हैं? वो सब प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस, जो अभी चीज़ हो रहा है, ये वो सारे वर्ब्स हैं। ओके, नाउ कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस यूजिंग is, am, and are and ing verb. The picture will help you. I, yes, क्या आएगा? I am reading a book. Okay. Dad is going to the office. Rex is drinking water from his favorite bowl. We are singing national anthem. The cows are grazing. Grazing, GRAZING, grazing. Grazing मतलब घास चर रहे हैं। The cows are grazing in the fields. Okay. Now let's come to page 41. They are very easy, children. It is all the use of is, am, and are, which are the main verbs, and ing. When you put ing, it becomes present continuous tense. जो अभी चीज़ हो रही है ये उसके ऊपर based है. Now fill in the blank with was and were. Now is, am, and are. Is means हैं, am मतलब हूँ और are मतलब हैं, और was and were, was मतलब था और were मतलब थे. इसकी हम प्रैक्टिस और भी करेंगे, लाइव क्लास में भी करेंगे. Let's do this page first. 20 years ago, this area was a farm. 20 साल पहले ये एरिया क्या था? एक फार्म था, एक खेत था. Joe and I were friends at school. Joe and I क्या थे? हम स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स थे. Long ago, people believed dragons were real. पहले लोग सोचते थे कि ड्रैगन्स सच में होते थे. ड्रैगन्स वर थे के लिए वर आएगा. ड्रैगन्स वर रियल. It was late when Dad came home from the airport. It was late. बहुत लेट था जब डैड घर आए, कहाँ से, एयरपोर्ट से. आई पुट ऑन सम सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज द सन वॉज सो हॉट. सन बहुत गर्म था इसलिए मैंने सनस्क्रीन लगाई. वी वर आउटसाइड इन द गार्डन व्हेन द फोन रैंग. जब फ़ोन बजा तो हम कहाँ थे, गार्डन में थे. नेक्स्ट, सर्कल द करेक्ट वर्ब इन टू कंप्लीट ईच सेंटेंस. सोनल, अब सोनल सिंगल है, वॉज आएगा, वर आएगा. सोनल वॉज अपसेट व्हेन आई स्प्लिट जूस ऑन हर ड्रेस. जब मैंने सोनल की ड्रेस पे सूप गिरा दिया तो वो अपसेट हो गई. वॉज सिंगल थी तो वॉज आएगा. मिया एंड आई वर इन द पार्क व्हेन इट बिगैन टू रेन. दो है, मिया एंड आई तो वर आएगा, थे. द पेंट वॉज स्टिल वेट व्हेन आई चेक दिस मॉर्निंग. पेंट फिर भी वेट था जब मैंने उसको मॉर्निंग में चेक किया. ईयर्स अगो देयर वॉज एन अर्थक्वेक दैट डिस्ट्रॉयड द सिटी. बहुत साल पहले एक अर्थक्वेक आया, वॉज एक आया तो वॉज आएगा. द चिल्ड्रन ज़्यादा, द चिल्ड्रन वर डिलाइटेड बिकॉज इट वॉज द लास्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. चिल्ड्रन बहुत खुश हुए जब लास्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल हुआ. So fill in the blanks in the story with was, were in the picture will help you. This is again very simple, page 41. I think you can read and you can do it by yourself, or I will just dictate you. There was a tennis tournament at school today. We were very excited. The match was between our two top tennis players. Match single hai to was aayega. It was a close match. There was a loud cheers when it ended. The winner was very happy. The chief guest awarded her the trophy. It was huge and beautiful. There were many parents in the stands. They clapped loudly. So where the was will come, was matlab tha and were matlab the. Now on the next page, the last page is 42 page, which you should do it. And it is also very simple. And here you will be using has, have and had. Now कहाँ has लगता है, कहाँ have लगता है और कहाँ had लगता है. You have to do this in your book itself. Grandmother has a hearing aid to help her hear better. Grandmother की कान में सुनने की मशीन है, लगी हुई है. Grandmother सिंगल है तो has आएगा. Grandmother has a hearing aid to help her hear better. Kriti had a party at her house yesterday. कल कृति के घर में पार्टी थी. had आएगा, ठीक है. We reached home today, so we ate pizza for dinner. So we had pizza for dinner. ate नहीं, had. हमने डिनर का. had past tense के लिए है, have ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए है और has सिंगल लोगों के लिए. You have a talent for drawing animals. You के साथ हमेशा have आता है, you has नहीं होगा. You have a talent for drawing animals. Our music teacher has a sore throat last week. हमारी म्यूज़िक टीचर का गला खराब था. लास्ट वीक. had a sore throat. लास्ट वीक है, had आएगा. Carnivorous have sharp teeth to catch and eat their prey. Carnivorous animals वो होते हैं जो मीट खाते हैं. They have, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा हैं तो यहाँ have आएगा. They have sharp teeth to catch and eat their prey. Look at the picture below. Write 3 sentences about it using has and have. Now how can you use now has and have. Okay, now these are, what are these? These are deer. The deer have, what do they have? The deer have, or you can say about the sheep, the sheep have white fleece on their bodies. अब sheep आपने पहले भी किया है. sheep itself is plural और sheep plural है तो उसके साथ have आएगा. the sheep has, sorry, or you can say the mice have. You have to use has and have, using has and have. So the deer has long antennas. The deer has long antennas. The sheep has white fleece on its body. The mice have small tails. Okay, the mice have long ears. short tails. So just use has and have in these sentences, in this picture, and make 3 sentences. Now circle the correct simple present tense form to complete each sentence. Tim knock on the door or knocks on the door. I told you when Tim is single, you have to use knocks, S, knocks on the door. So correct, tick the correct one. The stunt woman बहुत सारी हैं. The stunt woman jump into the river. Jumps नहीं होगा क्योंकि women है, ज़्यादा women है. Pia and her sister win the game. Not wins, win the game. Ishan locks his diary in the drawer. Shishan single है, locks आएगा. The boys eat oranges. Miss boys ज़्यादा हैं, they eat oranges. Now next is fill in the simple past tense form of each verb. Climb, climbed. Close, closed. Push, pushed. Rain, rained. And waste, wasted. So please do this up till page 42 and make nice sentences with has and have from this picture, and write 3 sentences about it using has and have. Okay children, I hope you must have understood is का मतलब, am का मतलब, are का मतलब, was का मतलब, were का मतलब, has का मतलब, have का मतलब और had का मतलब. Is, am and are main verbs. When you put ing with a verb, it becomes a present continuous tense. And what is, am and are, I've already told you the meaning. Was and were का मतलब, was का मतलब था, were का मतलब थे, has का मतलब एक सिंगल पर्सन के साथ has आता है, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ have आता है, और had past tense है has और have का. So this is a worksheet about these verbs only, which are very main verbs which you should be knowing. And please do all these pages, and if any doubt you can ask me. Complete up till page 42 by tonight 8 o'clock.